Hey guys, well, back down. Just doing pretty good. Come on, take it. Come on. I'm using the red waxies and the yellow waxies. It seems like I'm over a good spot. Nice and warm in here. I got my fan above me with my light, so my heater is right here. Like I said, my fan is like right above me, so it's just keeping that air down and keeping me at least warm. I think I gotta add another waxy to it. Put on a white one. So it's actually in the 30s today, so it's actually not too bad out. Not too bad, not too shabby. So I'll if I can get one for you guys here in a minute. As soon as I put it back down there, lunch is being fed, and then they're coming for it. See? Dinner. Dinner. Come on, take it. So the video I'll be doing for this one is going to be an unedited video, because it's been like this, where I just put it down and I've been just getting them. So check this out when I download it, upload it. You guys can watch the full thing. I'm just trying to get one for you guys so you guys can see. Come on. I'm in 9 feet of water, right over some grass. Not grass, but some weeds. Well, it was earlier when the first fish I caught was a crappie, and I just seen its mouth just go wide open and just inhale it from like it's coming up below it. Like it was just gonna come up through the hole. Just seeing it down there below though, but just seeing it inhale and just like whoa. So that was actually pretty neat to see. See him just from below, just open his mouth and just inhale that waxworm. With my other pole, I got the red hook on there, and they weren't going after that. And I put my pink hook back down there. Or I started off with this one, and there was fish around it. As soon as I dropped the one with the red hook, like they didn't want to bother. So my slip bobber has been staying at the depth that I wanted to, which is nice. You guys can see the camera like it's pulsing. That's my heartbeat. Ooh, going for it. Gosh, come on. Come on. It's like, should I pull or should I not? Should I pull? Should I pull? How well does he have it? That's the thing. I felt it come out of his mouth twice. And I put 2 times it felt it come out of its mouth. I'm gonna try it, so see. Well, if he's running. Ooh. Feels like a crappie. Oh, Oh, it's actually not a bad sunny. Ooh, nice sunny. I'm gonna need my pliers for him. If I can find them. Oh, right here, right next to me. So, yeah. Ow. Come on, put your fins back down. Come on. I know. Put your fins back down. Ow, crapper. So, it's actually not a bad sunfish. Get this hook out of him. I kind of figured he had it for a little bit, but yeah, he swallowed it. Not a bad sunny. It's got eggs in it, I can tell. There you go. There you go, buddy. Thanks for joining the party. I'll put your dinner back down there so you guys can fight for it. Let's see another one. See if I can get another one. It was actually pulling pretty good. I thought it was a crappie for a second. I'm like, oh, I got another crappie. That'll be number 5. If I get one more for you guys. Come on. Get one more. I'm going to be heading out here pretty quick. I asked my son if down there, asked him if he's been fishing. He said he hasn't. I said, why? He goes, well, he doesn't really like it fishing down there too much. He said he'd rather be up here ice fishing. You know, I like it fishing down there. I know I would. He just said it's been a little cold down there in Florida. I'm like, well, at least you got the sun, dude. At least you got, you know, warmer weather. At least it does get down into the 40s down there or so. I'm not, you know, sure how cold it actually gets down there, but yeah, I kind of see, you know, grew up in Minnesota. I've been ice fishing once. I took them last year when, oh, is it twice? I took them last year when it came up for Christmas. But yeah, I can kind of see where, you know, he wants to do ice fishing instead. He said he likes his 4 seasons. There's a lot more stuff to do, you know, get to snowmobile and ice fish. Come on, you can take it. Take it. Should I pull? Oh, I pulled it out of its mouth. I pulled it out. I still got bait. Oh, he took it. He took it. But I still got the red one down there. I'll put a light one on there. But alright, you guys go have fun. Do what you guys are doing. Stay tuned. This video should be up. I just got one to upload before it. So, guys, watch for that video. One kind of going for it. Let's see if I get this one. I got enough waxworms to last another. I got 2 smaller containers that I put in with this big one, plus this big one. So yeah, I think I got more than enough. Is it raining? Not raining, but it sounds like snowing a little bit. Yeah, I got enough on there. I'm gonna put one more on. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Give it another 45 seconds or a minute. There we go. Oh, okay. Still on there. Ooh, ooh. This is a little bit better one. There we go, guys. There you go. Not bad. Kind of long. So, you guys have a good day. Go check out this video. There'll be more like this. I'm not going to tell you how many I caught so far, but check it out and you'll find out.